Hi guys, welcome to another quick tutorial. Today I will show you how to change language in Windows. It's very simple. All you have to do is to press a Windows key on the keyboard and start typing language. As you can see, we can click on language settings and you choose the language in this box. I've got 4 languages installed, actually 2 versions of English. So you just need to choose the one you want and click yes. You will sign out, and when you sign in again the language will change. However, if you do not see your language in here, you need to install it first. So you click here. Let's say I want to see Russian, add Russian, and then you may set as my display language. Click install. I will not do it, but it will install the language, and you will sign out again and sign in, and the language will be there. Okay, that's all. I hope it helps. Thank you very much for watching. I see you soon. Bye bye.